A colossal asteroid, a cosmic serpent, hurtling through the inky blackness of space, on a collision course with our very own Earth. That's Apophis, a near-Earth asteroid discovered back in 2004. For a while, its name struck a chord of unease. Scientists calculated a non-zero chance of impact, a chilling prospect that had us all looking skyward with a mix of awe and apprehension. But fear not, for our technological prowess is our shield. The good news? Thanks to meticulous tracking and advanced calculations, the immediate threat of Apophis has been downgraded significantly. While it will make a very close pass by Earth in 2029, a mere 37,000 kilometers away, the chances of it actually hitting us are now virtually nil. Think of it as a cosmic flyby, a spectacular celestial event we can witness safely, rather than a doomsday scenario. So, while the name Apophis might evoke ancient Egyptian myths of chaos, in reality, our scientific understanding and observational capabilities have effectively slain the immediate danger. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge, allowing us to face down potential cosmic threats with informed confidence, and even turn them into incredible opportunities for scientific discovery.